Good morning, children. Good morning, everyone. Welcome you all to our today's online class. My name is Harshita ma'am, and we are learning phonic sounds. We have covered letters from A to L. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Now what comes after L? L, M, N, M and N, right? So, today I am going to introduce two letter sounds, letter M and letter N. Got it? Pronounce the letters very carefully and write M, N, M, N. Okay? M, N. So let's start with letter M. See, this is letter M, Mama M, and this is letter M. This is also M, but this is baby M, small m. Mama M, baby M, Mama, baby. Got it? कौन सा इसमें से मम्मा? Which one is Mama M? This one. And which one is baby M? This one. Very good. Now there are several words which starts with letter M. So tell me some words. M for monkey. Right. M for moon. कब आता है moon? रात को. चंदा मामा. Moon. See? M for moon. M for moon. Now, the sound of letter M is and the action is. मम्मा जब टेस्टी टेस्टी खाना बनाती है, when mama cooks very tasty and yummy food, then what action we did after the lunch? So yummy. Wow, tasty. So this is the action for letter M and sound is Got it? Now repeat after me. Repeat after me. Okay. So this is the action for letter M. And we have a little and very beautiful song to remember the sound of letter M. Shall we start with our song? Listen carefully with your listening ears. They are on, right? Okay, so listen carefully. The mum and the dad make many things. The mum and the dad make many things. For their hungry children. Now repeat after me, okay? Repeat after me with proper action. The mum and the dad make many things. The mum and the dad make many things. For their hungry children. मजा आया? I hope you enjoyed this song. So the action for letter M is and the sound is Okay. Now let's move towards our second letter. Letter N. N for N nest. N. When we pronounce M. तो lips क्या होते हैं? Close. We touch our lips. M. And when we pronounce N, then we touch our tongue to our palate. N. Okay? Now, see. This is letter N. N. This is also N. This is Mama N. This is baby N. Baby N. Mama N. Baby यानी small N. And Mama means big N. N for nest. N for nest. See? sparrow's nest. And for nest, n, n. Now, the sound of letter N is and the action is जब aeroplane fly करता है sky में, so what sound does it makes? आप सब aeroplane उड़ाते हो? चलो हम सब मिलके आज aeroplane उड़ाएंगे. Okay, let's fly our aeroplane. Ready? Okay. So first, make your aeroplane. जल्दी से ऐसे aeroplane बनाएंगे. Very good. Now listen the song carefully. Okay, and do the actions. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Making lots of noise. बहुत ज़्यादा आवाज़ करता है ना, बहुत नॉइस करता है एरोप्लेन, राइट? जो ऊपर स्काई में से एरोप्लेन पास होता है तो हमें पता चल जाता है ना, राइट? नाउ one more time and repeat after me with proper action and also sing after me, okay? Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Making lots of noise. मजा आया? किस किसने उड़ाया एरोप्लेन? सभी ने उड़ाया, राइट? Okay. So now it's time for bye bye. Today I have introduced two letters, letter M and letter N. The sound of letter M is and the sound of letter N is Now keep revising it, keep learning it, the sound of letter M and letter N. And today is Thursday. So on every Thursday, I give you an activity, right? So today's activity is you have to learn the letter sounds from letter A to letter N. Okay? हमने N तक learn कर लिया है. So from letter A to letter N. आप क्या करेंगे? Only actions and sounds के video record करेंगे. Okay? And please don't trouble your mother, okay? जब मम्मा बोले तो अच्छे से अच्छे बच्चे की तरफ वीडियो बनाएंगे, okay? और फिर मैम को सेंड करेंगे. See, I am sending you videos daily, है ना? आप देखते हो तो आपका वीडियो मैं देखूंगी, okay? Yes. So from letter A to letter N, you have to perform the action and pronounce the sound. Record the video and send it on Saturday between 12 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. Okay?